beautiful people of the internet. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new, I'm Farhana. Please subscribe, join the family. I am going, we, my husband and I, Tariq, we are going to Manchester for the weekend, and then we're going to Blackpool as well. I have genuinely missed just going somewhere. This is the first time that I get to go somewhere with my husband. So let's get packing. We have so much to do today. There's so many things on the agenda. I need to pack my suitcase. I'm a very, very particular packer. I'm a very neat packer. I like to organize everything. I need to edit my video, which is going to be going up tomorrow. I need to wash the dishes. I need to put the clothes in the washing because I hate going away and then coming back to like a dirty house or a dirty home. I want to come back because I'm going to be exhausted when I come back. So when I come back, I want it to be peaceful and clean, and then hopefully get an early night's sleep because tomorrow's trip to Manchester, we're going by bus. We decided to go by bus because, oh, adventure and all that stuff. But now I'm thinking like, I think we should have just booked a train instead. I want to show you guys my suitcase. This suitcase is from a company called Horizon Studios. Now this video is not sponsored by them, however they did send me this suitcase as well as a second one which is just a bit bigger than this. All opinions are my own. They are not paying me to do this. I have already taken it out when I went to Coventry with Sumaya in the previous video, and this is the second time I am using it, so I thought let me show you guys what this suitcase is all about. The first thing actually that I really love about this suitcase, it is a smart suitcase. So all my content creators, my business people, this is the suitcase you need when you're going into the flight. Here at the back, as you can see, it's very small and compact, and it has, boom, it has a power bank that you charge, and you can just put it in here and you can go with it anywhere and just charge your phone on the go. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out and charge it. Is it actually? I think it should be full. It's look, it's so sleek. It's at the back. You don't see it. It's not like in your way. The second thing I love is the front pockets. It's absolutely so convenient for somebody like me. You open it up and you have so much storage in here. Over here you put your laptop. You see there's a little laptop picture. You put your laptop here. It has this elastine and kind of like a spongy feeling to protect your laptop. You have this pocket which you can put your passport, your envelopes, whatever you need, papers. You have this part as well which you can put more documents in here. Then you have this back pockets. There's a zip back here. There's another zip which is longer. You can put your phone in there, and then there's a pocket in here. On top of it, there's also a zip here. There is a cable in here. This comes with an iPhone and an Android charger attached to it. I don't know if this extra bit comes with the suitcase. They added a tag, a name tag, which is personalized. Farhana Oberson. How beautiful is this? So this is the inside. One side has the mesh, the other side also has a mesh thing, but then it has a zip for pockets. I like to pack in sections, so I'll start with the clothes, and I always pack day by day. Like I choose my outfit before I travel. So this is what I'm going to be I'm going to be wearing to travel with. Matching jumper set. It says it's going to be raining and storming. Guys, always check the weather wherever you're going. And also we're going to be in a bus. I want to be comfortable, so I thought this would be really nice. For Saturday, it's going to be a full day up and around in Manchester. I've carried two options of white tops with this pink pants. For Sunday, which is the day that we'll probably be going to Blackpool, I've carried this blue dress. It's also new and I've just been waiting for an excuse to wear it. This is the outfit for Monday, which is the day we'll be at the beach. I did carry, I think it's going to be really windy, so I carried this skirt to pair with I don't know, it's not a jumper, but it's like a sweaterish kind of a top. but if it's too cold for a skirt, I did carry jeans with the same top, then 2 pairs of pajamas and prayer dress, and those are my intimate clothes. So in terms of makeup, I'm just going to be going there for 4 days, so I'm as minimal and as little makeup that I can carry as possible will be best for me. The Per 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie, it's a long wear foundation and a concealer in one. I showed this product on my Instagram if you guys are following me there. So that's the foundation. In terms of concealer, I'm definitely going to be taking the Light Proof Sleek concealer in this shade. What shade is this? Hot Mocha. This is for contouring. And then for under the eye, I shall go for my L'Oreal. I really like this. This is in the shade 332 Amber. I'm thinking if I should carry a pair of lenses, but if I carry lenses then I'll have to carry like the lens water, and the lens water is just so big. For blush, I'm going to take the Pixi On The Glow blush. I love this stuff. It's so good. It gives you that really sun-kissed look. I really like it. Obviously I cannot live without my Laura Mercier setting powder, so that must go. In terms of primer, the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer is going to be just fine. Because it's like every day, I'm going to take the Matte Finish NYX setting spray, and I just want to keep the eyeshadow palette as minimal as possible. I'm going to take this one. It has like all the neutral colors that one will need, and also some bits of some dark colors. It also has a mirror, so that's 2 in 1. In terms of like lips and eyes, I'm going to take this one. It's NYX. It's a lip liner. I'm going to take this Kat Von D tattoo liner, and it's a waterproof liquid liner. For lip gloss, you guys know I love Revolution, Makeup Revolution in the shade Muse. It's literally my favorite lip gloss. So from here, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. I don't know if I should take this one or this one. I'm definitely carrying my Benefit Precisely, my brow pencil. It's just so easy. I am going to be carrying my Fenty Beauty in the shade Uncensored. I've not worn a red lip in so long. I am going to also carry the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. We already have a full set of makeup bag. I'm gonna take one of my Sigma bags, and that's where I'm gonna put my makeup brushes. I recently also got the Morphe and James Charles set. I haven't even opened some of them. They're just still here. New brushes. I'm gonna put a foundation brush, a contour brush, a blush brush, concealer blending brush, concealer defining brush, mascara. That's how it goes. I'm gonna add a different blush as well. I'm gonna add this one. This is the NYX Sweet Cheeks. For eyeshadow brushes, I'm just gonna take very minimal. Gonna take these 3 because I will be doing the same like makeup look on all the days, so it won't really matter. So my makeup bag is done, my brush bag is done. This is my Bulgari Toiletry Bag, and I really like it. It's a bit dirty, don't mind it, but it has like these little pockets. This is my underarm, what I use under my arm. It's natural. It's from this brand called Natural. She's actually my niece, and I've put her handle somewhere over here. If you're in Kenya, you have to get yourself this. It's 100% natural, and it keeps you odorless all day long. Obviously my sunscreen, niacinamide, my micellar. My camera's card is full, so I just cut off. I don't even know when it cut off, but I've packed quite a bit of stuff inside of here. I went ahead and packed everything into the suitcase. I don't know why when it was on the bed it looked like very little stuff, but now that it's in this suitcase, it looks like so much stuff. I also added a turban. This is in the color mint from Sarabi. Link is in the description box. I carried a black scarf and also carried a pink scarf. This is an instant hijab from Sarabi in the shade Coral. I'm gonna move into seeing if I want to add shoes, accessories, perfumes, all of that stuff, jewelry, etc. Because it's just really 4 days, my packing is very minimal. Guys, I'm gonna clean this kitchen. Now look, there's oils everywhere. It's like so dirty. It's like somebody put a bomb on these vyombos here, the dishes. So let's get cleaning because I do not want to come back to a dirty kitchen. I am just carrying this handbag. I'm not going to be carrying like extra handbags. Let me know if you guys want me to do a what's in my handbag video. I can probably do that. I need to also charge all of my electronics. I'm carrying my laptop, I'm carrying my cameras, I'm carrying everything. The good thing is my Canon, which is what I'm filming with right now, it has this 2-in-1 battery charger. Charges 2 at the same time, basically is what I'm trying to say. My phone is charging. I need to charge my laptop and edit the videos. I need to carry some snacks as well. Oh, I'm also carrying this water bottle. It's from a company called The Ocean Bottle. Absolutely not sponsored, but they did send it to me. So this is the website and it has like all the information about this bottle. When you buy one ocean bottle, you fund the collection of 1,000 ocean-bound plastic bottles in weight. Work with coastal communities to turn these bottles into a sustainable livelihood using their innovative exchange platform. You can put either hot water or cold water in here and it just makes it kind of last, it says. If you're into the whole like purchasing something in order to make a difference, check them out. 4 hours in the bus is not a joke, guys, so I want to be prepared. I might exchange the handbag for a bigger bag, I don't know. In terms of our checklist, I managed to finish cleaning the kitchen. Absolutely happy about that. Did the laundry, great, amazing. Cleaned up the house, proud of myself. I finished packing, all that's good. The only thing that's left on the agenda is editing the video, and I have to do that because tomorrow is Friday and you know I upload a video every Tuesday and Friday, so I'm gonna get to that. So I'm currently filming on the Canon M50 with the Sigma lens, and let me just tell you guys, I don't like this camera. I don't like it in the sense of like vlogging with it. I don't like vlogging with it. It's very heavy, it's very bulky. I cannot carry it around very easily. I have to be very extra careful. So I've recently been like vlogging on my phone a lot. However, I don't like the fact that it's overloading my phone because I'm doing longer videos. I'm talking a lot more. I'm creating longer content. So it's overflowing my storage space and I absolutely don't like it. So I have generally been toying with the idea of getting myself another camera. A vlogging camera per se. I hope I come to a decision very fast, otherwise my motivation for this vlogging content will just, and we don't want that.
day,